Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Putting a video together here talking about where should you place your AED machine in your business, in your work, right? So the reason why I'm putting this video together is because something just happened the other day and it made me start thinking about this and just wanted to share the information with everybody. So a client of ours is doing a renovation to the main entrance and the main lobby of their business, their building, and we're gonna have to go in there and we're gonna have to remove and relocate not only the AED machine but the first aid box as well as the fire extinguisher, because where they're kind of doing the renovation and building, they're putting in a Starbucks for their staff and members. So with that said, we're gonna have to make a move on where the AED machine is currently placed and find another location somewhere in the lobby for it. So I started thinking about this. We did a tour walk, facility walk, and just kind of looked at some options that we had. For all of you out there that have an AED machine on site at your place of business, at work, you want it to be like the most loud and proud location, right? So you want this in a prominent location, easily accessible, typically with signage and the white box that it rests in on the wall there, to make sure that anybody in and out of the building, number one, know you have one on site. Number two, where it's located. Number three, easily accessible, right? So there are different building codes in each state that will require, height off the ground to the wall, how high it can be to make sure it's accommodating and accessible. So those are all things you want to look at in terms of building code state to state and when you're placing your AED machine. So I wanted to put the video together just to share that out for you. 50% of people in the workforce don't even know if they have an AED machine. So with that said, we want to spread awareness on that. Not only do we have one, where is it located, and most importantly, how do we use it, right? So when we activate it, how do we use it, which is where CPR training comes in place, CPR AED training. So with that said, if you guys have questions on that, feel free to reach out. Happy to talk you through the process and talk about some of the features of AED machines and what would be a good fit for your company. There's a lot that goes into them, so just don't go online and buy a random AED machine. You want to make sure for your industry that you find one that's a good fit for you regarding the environment that you work, the type of building you have, and what it is that you do ultimately. So if you have questions, feel free to reach out. There's some links below. We're happy to talk you through that process, walk you through some samples of AED machines, and help get you guys rescue ready. Thanks.